here's everything we have for the Impala. I do have a brake conversion kit that is all the way on the bottom as well for the front brakes. That'll change them over to slotted rotors, better than the nasty disc brakes. Yep. Alright, so let's get back to the parts. Alright, so over here, we got our valve cover. We got two front shocks. I already did the rear, as well as the, struts. I did the shocks in the back. You got bushings here. We got both lower and upper control arms, and the brackets. We also have our sway bar link, tie rod ends. I already installed one of them. I do, however, need to see if I can get one of those extensions. Yeah. We have our electric wiring kit from American Auto Wire. It's a really nice kit. A bit pricey, but overall not bad. And over here we have some elbows, gasket for the Holley Sniper EFI. I think that's an extra one that I have over there. I have a nice pedal over here. I do have the stock pedal, but I'm thinking about when I do go over to the Sniper EFI, which is up here, that I am going to switch over the pedal to a nicer look. Looks pretty nice. Looks cheap, but it's metal, better than that plastic shit. Yep. Hopefully we can get this done this weekend. I'm probably gonna get started back on my videos again. I have stopped a little bit. I was dealing with changes at work. I transferred over to somewhere that's closer to home, and it definitely made a big difference. Oh, just an FYI, I do have speakers. They're kickers. Very thankful to the gentleman that I bought the car from, or traded the car from. He did hook me up with a lot of good stuff. It even comes with a Bluetooth right there. Well, there. Let me finish up cleaning this spot here, especially after the incident that I had yesterday. I injured my eye while welding. Probably gonna take a pause on that and just bring it to my friend from now on, right? Alright guys, that's all we got. Enjoy this next second of making fun of me for my nasty welds. Thank you. We'll see you later. Alright, so now that we've seen the parts, I'm just gonna find out what we're gonna do. These are definitely gonna get replaced, and a nice slotted rotor with the caliber is gonna go in place of that. These things are honestly junk for a big car like this. Yeah, definitely not enough stopping power. Yeah, I cut that out. There's a lot of rust on that one. We're gonna get the tie rods out. We're gonna change up the sway bar links. I do have new struts and control arms as well as the bushings. A lot of the stuff is gonna get replaced. New bearings are gonna go in here automatically because of the conversion. Let's take a look at the other. See, the side's actually pretty clean as far as rust is concerned in that aspect. There's no rust really on this side. Alright. Up here, we got our 327 engine. Sniper EFI is going to go on here. Probably not going to get done this weekend. I really need to pull the filler neck and get some kind of weld on there and get a fitting for a return line. That'd be so much easier. I've actually been debating getting a fuel filter that has a return line. So maybe that, instead of having to make an adjustment to the filler neck, which is kind of dangerous because I'd have to weld onto a filler neck. I mean, I can wash it off. So we're probably going to go with the fuel filter. I'll post it right here, right now, just so you guys can see what it looks like. And we'll keep the ball rolling, right? Also have a new battery tray. We spoke about that right here. We'll get that baby on this weekend. And over here we have our nasty welds. I did put some primer on it just to get rid of the ugly look. It's still ugly as hell, but hey, there was a big gaping hole there, so we got something to hold it, or try to hold it. Doubt it will, but we're not taking it anywhere before it gets fixed anyways. New tie rod's already in there. I'm not gonna put the rest of the stuff on until I take out the conversion. Once we get that out and get the spindles and everything going, we'll replace all this stuff. Again, hopefully all this will be done this weekend. I have friends coming over to help me out. So, all in all, not bad. We're chopping at our list over here. I'm definitely gonna have to modify this. We got a lot of stuff that we did in here. Also welded that little piece in there because there was a hole in there. We're getting there, we're getting there. Stay tuned and we'll make her a ripper. Alright? True ripper she is. Power steering pumps. Back up and running. I did have an issue with the power steering hose. The pressure line. We were able to just chisel off the front part of it because for some reason it wouldn't catch the thread because the male piece itself had like an extra lip to it. So I cut that out and it works now. No issues. Alright, thank you for watching guys. We'll make it happen. And as usual, stay tuned.